You're the guy he talks to online. You're anti-DIY. You make a lot of videos. How you still going after all these years making these videos? Come on.
Well, I've slowed down, but I'm fixing to pick it back up.
Because it's summer, right?
Well, because I was a little short on help for about a year, and I've got those spots filled, and I'm back to goofing. I mean, back to doing what I normally do now. That's a serious deal right there. I was a full-time service tech for about a year and a half, and me and my wife didn't like it.
We didn't like it. Ride with you?
Ride with me? Dude, she barely lets me in the house. You've been here. What are you talking about? Does she ride with me? She rides with me. She
said you and your wife didn't like it.
Well, she didn't like me being a full-time service tech because I was constantly.
Because you're always like shocking yourself and screwing things up.
You know, coming home at 10 o'clock at night and rummaging through the kitchen, smelling like refrigerant oil.
Well, how'd you keep your business straight if you're out to all hours doing the service part of it?
It wasn't easy. It was tough. I got some good people. I really do. I just, was a little short in the service department actually it started right after COVID. And, but it wasn't so bad, but about a year and a half, it was really pretty rough. But we got it back. We're doing pretty good now.
So you have one technician?
2.5.
2.5. Who's the half? You're yeah.
So bottom line,
we have a truthful moment. Truthful moment.
What it is, I work Sundays and I fill in when, if whoever's on call has to be off, I fill in. But I work Sundays. I don't work people on Sunday, but I do. I'll go. So that makes me like a half a tech, right?
That's okay. I see the logic of what you're saying. How often do you actually have to go out on a Sunday?
If it's 90 and 95 and 100 degrees, pretty much several each Sunday.
Joe, what do you do on Sundays? Because you're just the only guy there.
Cuts his phone off.
Yeah.
Has it made? He has it made.
I didn't get any calls today.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm going to get there one day.
I don't try to be everything for everyone. So, yeah, I mean, if it was a unit we just put in or something, I'd go. Or a really good customer, I'd go.
Or if you had just put in 8,000 or 9,000 units, you'd have to go.
Because of the volume.
Well, we do about 300, 325 a year, and I've been in business for 33 and a half years, and we've been heavily at it for about the last 15. So do the math. We have thousands of them out there for sure.
What were the numbers again? I'm actually going to do the math.
Okay, do the math. We do now about 300 plus a year. That's probably been going on for a good 6 to 7 years. For about 15, we've been well over 150 a year. Now, prior to that, I was kind of lucky if I did, 50, 60 a year.
So you have 4,200.
I got more than that.
Oh, that was your numbers.
Nope.
Except for the prior.
Sorry. 4,200. Try again.
Wait a second. You got 4,200. Joe, how many do you have?
4,201.
4,201. Congratulations. Congratulations. I think there's some hanging chads in Florida.
One weekend at my house, and Joe is totally destroyed.
He did 3 change outs that weekend.